say something real quick?
Welcome back to New
When we go to the worm thing.
Yeah, we are. Wait.
So when we go.
Shut up! Let me speak! If you don't speak, I'm gonna touch you like last night!
Okay.
So welcome back to a new video, guys. So basically today we're gonna be playing Animal Company again. This time we're gonna try to defeat the Goop thing. Well, we're gonna try to get Goop because of Roman. He's trying to get Goop. We're gonna be doing we're gonna be trying to we're basically just gonna do a run. We're gonna be playing Jonathan the retard and Roman's not Dino, Roman the T-Rex. He's Roman the retard.
Look at this shit was fuck. Bro, nah, I'm gonna make you guys all laugh by being disabled to it.
You know what? I'm gonna act the best. I'm gonna act the best.
We're gonna get canceled. Of course you're gonna act the best.
Right, do it. I'm disabled.
Of course you're gonna act the best.
Oh, just hit my. Oh God, I just hit my torta. Just hit my torta.
Oh hell no! I'm more disabled. Get the fuck out! Fucking loser!
Cállate. Alright guys, let's go. Guys, let's go get Goop.
Let's go get canceled. Let's go get canceled.
No, bro, we're gonna go get Goop.
I'm kidding. Don't say that, bro. I'm not racist anymore.
You fucking loser!
Wait, what do you mean anymore?
Fucking tired.
Shut up!
Yeah, I couldn't. Mi control.
I'm disabled, bro.
Bro, I'm not control.
I'm gonna leave you guys back.
Loser. Don't leave me, loser.
Bro, you're gonna get kicked, Roman, bro. Shut up!
I'm fucking disabled. Disabled.
What's it like?
I can see why I have retarded friends. I can see why I have retarded friends. This is what I get for this is what I get for having retarded friends. No quiero.
Puppy down! Is it puppy down?
Get him off!
Puppy down!
La boo boo.
Bro, what the hell just joined? You wait, stay right there, bro. Stay right there, bro. Dude, where are you? Hello?
Hello.
Who are you?
Here we go.
I joined. I'm John from Big Scary.
Who the hell is this guy?
That's the person I joined.
What the?
Fucking retarded shit.
Alright, Ron.
You go bye.
Oh yeah, he is my friend. I have to go on mine. Offline. Did you go?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sorry guys, I
We
have to
gotta
keep
go.
him there. Sorry. I'm sorry.
We can't have anyone
Don't leave me. And plus, he's gonna leak the code. So. Where do you go? Yo, I don't know where Jonathan went, bro. Where are you? Roman? Jonathan, what the fuck happened to you?
No one's in here. Look, John 13. John 13.
What's happening?
Find my fan code. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I guess. Oh yeah, and by the way, guys, we're gonna do the outro of him introducing his fan code.
Yeah, okay.
Stop acting retarded! Jonathan, if you don't, Jonathan, if
You call me
stop-
stupid and retarded every day, though.
Yeah, I do. What are you gonna do about it?
Expose you.
Me vale chorizo.
Cállate.
Me vale culo
Papi,
con
¿sabes que
caca.
Evangelina vino a la iglesia hoy? Piu, piu.
No.
Hey, fucking losers.
Did bro die?
Hello, loser.
Él me pongo.
Shit, good luck on this, guys. Bro, Roman, you're about to fall right here.
My dad overslept. Dad overslept. It's not my fault, Gina. Dad overslept. I was taking
Paper flare. It's paper flare.
Me pombo clap. Bro, throw that in the fire. Me pombo.
Oh, do we have to wait? Wait, let's just run some crates and see if there's something.
Guys. Hey, guys, be a good boy and mind that. Guys, be a good boy and mind that. Be a good boy and mind that. Bro, look how tiny is that body.
Where are you?
I'm right here in the spider.
Fucking losers.
No, Roman, why'd you do that? I'm blind. No!
Oh.
My controllers. I need to grab her.
Oh, where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Fucking losers.
I think he died.
I know you guys, stupid. You guys stupid. Fucking
You stupid. Oh shit!
It's a shotgun bullet. Look, it's shotgun. It's shotgun bullet. Shotgun bullet.
Ow!
Tell you shit. I can fly like shit out your ass.
No, quiero. No.
I can make you tell this fucking to ass.
Oh yeah, guys, there's a secret over here.
I understand if you can take
secret up here.
retarded. I will stay up there until I'm gay as fuck.
Oh.
Yo, what now? Bro, I think I should stop being
Hey,
disabled.
get
bro.
back before I blind you.
Okay. I was there. I was fucking disabled as shit.
Agent. You missed completely. Bro, you're missing completely. You only hit me one time.
This is retarded.
Bro, you did not even hit me.
Fucking retarded shit.
How are you hitting me? Stop it. I'm right.
What do you want me to get in trouble so bad, Nina?
Fucking losers.
No!
Bro, I don't have enough money, bro. Oh, yeah, I do.
Oh,
Shit,
wait.
Shit, Roman, you're going back down, bro. You're buying him a revolver.
I can't hear you. Wait, let's just stay here instead, bro. He has to go around me, bro. Where the fuck are we going, bro?
I'm trying to escape. That's where I'm going.
It's over here.
Where?
Here.
Hey, mind this.
I beg you. Drop.
Ah!
Oh, we do this.
Bro.
You touch this shit. Come on, guys.
Here, get this ray gun.
Shield. Oh yeah, I can use it to launch myself. Where's my controller at?
I'm not losing hope. You're losing hope.
Guys, come on.
Oh!
My revolver!
Where?
Where is it?
Got it. Like a real man. A real man always has a revolver on his
Shut up!
birthday.
Banana.
Every time.
Chicken, banana.
Banana.
Chicken, banana.
Everybody. This is what Emma
Jonathan.
I survived.
I'm
You
standing.
know what Emma I
don't want this.
Me pongo.
Hi.
Kill it! Bro, look how little this guy is.
Yeah? Yeah, hold up. Guys, come on.
Yo.
Wow.
Guys, come on, do not kill me, okay?
I won't.
Come on. I gotta go do something real quick. Hold up. Make sure I'm not dead.
Jonathan.
No, I hate you. I'm gonna go get grenades.
Ha
I
ha.
hate you.
Bro. I guess I'm gonna stand here for the kick. Jonathan, if you come, I'm gonna kick you, bro. Just don't come in with grenades. I have literally aim ready, bro. Bro, hurry up. Bro, you're coming with dynamite or something, bro. It's so obvious.
I'm not coming with anything.
Yes, you are.
On my cat.
You don't have any cats.
On my channel.
You said cat, bro.
I said cat.
You said cat.
Check the video.
Alright, bet later. Bro, come back, Roman! Bro, he has a banana. Bro, is this kid gonna come back? Bro, when is this kid gonna come back? Can he come? Wait, he's player 100. Oh, hell nah, bro. I'm leaving him. Is he player 100 or is he player 1? Wait, he's player 1. Wait, is he? Guys, comment in the channel if he's 1. Wait. Yeah, he's 100, bro. I'm out. Come back. Bro, when is he gonna come back? Is he connected? Bro, he left.
Oh my god.
Hi!
Oh.
Roman didn't come back yet.
Huh?
Roman didn't come back yet.
Why? Whoa.
I don't know.
Oh!
He just didn't come back yet.
Hmm.
You have a grenade. It's so obvious.
I don't.
Let me see your bag.
Bro, wait, I'm focused. I'm focused. Oh.
Oh, he just came back.
No!
Guys?
No! No!
Oh my gosh, bro. I hate this game.
What? I'm still here.
Oh yeah, Roman, I left you, bro. So I'm sorry. Don't leave me.
Wait, but why is your guys' bags in here?
That's not my bag. That's Jonathan's bag. It has a.
He died.
Yeah, he died. He tried to explode you, but I healed you.
So I killed him?
Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
No, you wanna know what we could use with that?
But your mom is gonna see this video, bro.
If we are on 3%,
Yes, bro. This guy Jonathan's taking too long.
you know, we should leave him, bro. I'm here for a group.
Bro. He killed you, and I was gonna respawn him back, but then he respawned back to spawn.
Stupid, bro.
Right now, we wouldn't have already got
Nah, we
group.
should leave him. Come on.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Would you rather pick friendship or group? See. Would you rather pick friendship or group, bro? Bye.
Okay, bet. I'm out.
No. No. Tita, está bien caliente, decirle. Digo, está bien frío, digo. ¿Me vas a cerrar, por favor? No. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do the outro. You say congratulations, but you know you want that shit. I ain't gonna get made. I'm young, black, and rich. You side up. We are not horses. We are humans and humans are. We are not horses. Wait, we are not horses. We are not horses. We are humans. Humans are. Bro, can it jump off? Wait.
Guys, wait.
We are. Bro, my beer's about to die. I'm doing the outro. We are not horses. Roman already left you, so you have to come fast. We are not horses. We are humans, and humans are. Can I fuck? We are not. We are humans. And humans are.
Bye.